Two popular travel cards. One burning question. Which one truly rewards your journey? On the left, the Capital One Venture Rewards. Versatile and built for everyday spending. And on the right, the Capital One Venture X Rewards. Packed with premium perks and elevated travel benefits. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these two cards really stack up. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which card comes out ahead. The result might surprise even seasoned travelers. All right, before we call a winner, let's map out what we're actually comparing. So, here are the categories: annual fee, welcome offer, rewards earning rates, travel and lounge benefits, redemption flexibility, extra perks and protections. That cover pretty much everything, right? Cool. Let's go one by one. First up, the annual fee. Let's talk Venture Rewards. You only pay $95 each year, which, look, for a card with travel benefits, that's seriously affordable. But yeah, you kind of miss out on those super premium credits some cards offer, so keep that in mind. Now, Venture X, this one's $395 a year. I know, big difference. But if you travel a lot, those premium benefits do help offset it, supposedly. Still, not gonna lie, hundreds more upfront stings a bit, unless you're always at the airport. So for most people, Venture Rewards just feels less intimidating here. Next, welcome offer. And this is cool, they actually match each other. Both cards come with 75,000 bonus miles when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. No need to pick favorites here, you know? It's a tie. So like, win-win if you're signing up. Let's get into the exciting part. Rewards earning rates. Starting with Venture Rewards. Simple. It's 2x miles on everything, which is honestly nice if you hate categories. And hey, you do get 5x miles on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars if you use Capital One Travel. Not bad. But the rates for flights and other travel aren't as juicy. Okay, Venture X. Well, this one's all about those huge multipliers. You get 10x on hotels and rental cars booked via Capital One Travel, 5x miles on flights and vacation rentals, again, but only when you book through their portal, and 2x on everything else. The catch is, you gotta book with Capital One Travel for those top rates. But for reward chasers, that's a big deal. Yeah, Venture X supercharges your travel earnings. Not even close. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Venture X throws 10,000 miles your way every single anniversary. That's like $185 of travel just for sticking around. Free miles, anyone? Time for travel and lounge benefits, which I know a lot of people care about. Venture Rewards gives you up to $120 in global entry or TSA PreCheck credits, some travel accident insurance, and a few hotel perks if you're into the lifestyle collection. But one glaring thing, you don't get lounge access. No fancy airport chillin' for you. Now, Venture X really flexes here. You get a $300 annual credit to use on Capital One Travel, 10,000 bonus miles every anniversary. Side note, that's about $185 in travel every single year. And, oh, big one, free access to Capital One and Priority Pass lounges with guest perks. Some changes coming in 2026 if you bring friends along, but still. Plus, you get protection for your cell phone, luxury hotel extras, better travel insurance. Seriously, it's next level. So if lounges and those bomb perks get you excited, Venture X is absolutely the winner by a mile. Redemption flexibility is actually solid for both, so no real drama here. With either card, you can redeem miles for travel, gift cards, sometimes cash, and you can transfer to airline or hotel partners, all without blackout dates. There's nothing Venture X really does that regular Venture doesn't, so you're maxing out options no matter what. Honestly, a rare tie. Final category, extra perks and protections. Venture Rewards covers you with the basics, like extended warranty and travel accident insurance. But, it skips cell phone protection. Not a deal breaker for everyone, but if you live out of your phone, it could hurt. Venture X jumps in with not just cell phone protection, but also price drop protection on travel and rental car elite status with premium brands. That's some extra peace of mind for bigger spenders. So yeah, extra perks totally tilt towards Venture X. So if you laid out all these categories next to each other, the radar chart would show Venture X just spiking hard in rewards rates, travel perks, and extra protection. Venture Rewards? It's got a smoother profile, much lower fee and simpler structure, but fewer fireworks. To wrap it up, here's my honest take. If you want something easy, Reliable and with a low annual fee, Venture Rewards is an awesome pick. You get travel miles, solid perks, and don't have to overthink it. But if you're always flying or want every possible travel luxury, VentureX is honestly in a different league. That lounge access, the huge credits, plus killer multipliers just make the fee worth it if you use the perks. For most busy travelers who really want those extras, VentureX takes it. But for anyone who's not all in on travel, Venture Rewards definitely gets the easy win for value. So, what's your travel style? Are you all about stacking rewards, or do you want a no-effort card that just works everywhere? Check out both options and pick the one that fits your next adventure.